Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Laws of return. From principles of economics, production process, production is a process of converting inputs into output. The functional relationship between physical inputs and physical output of a firm is called production function. X for production, and production is the function of L for labor. The firm or the producer is in equilibrium where marginal productivity of labor is divided by price of labor is equal to marginal productivity of capital divided by price of capital. The total amount of output produced during any given period of time with the help of labor and capital is called by total production. Total production is equal to marginal production 1 plus marginal production 2 plus marginal production 3 plus so on plus marginal production n. Average production. Average production is obtained by dividing total production with the units of labor. Average production is equal to total production divided by labor. Marginal production. Marginal production is the rate of net change in total production due to 1 unit increase in labor. Marginal production is equal to change in total production divided by change in labor. Law of diminishing return states as the proportion of one factor in a combination of factors is increased, total production will increase with diminishing rate. Average and marginal production will also diminish. It is also known as law of increasing cost. According to the law of increasing return, as the proportion of one factor in a combination of factors is increased, total production will increase with increasing rate. Marginal and average production will increase. It is also known as law of diminishing cost. According to law of constant return, as the proportion of one factor in a combination of factors is increased, total production will increase with the constant rate. Marginal production and average production will remain constant. It is also known as law of constant return. According to law of variable proportion, an equal increment to one variable factor input keeping other factor constant will cause the production to rise initially at an increasing rate, then production will rise at decreasing rate, and finally production may start to diminish. The scale of production refers and determines the level of production in a business organization. Large scale of production, where a business organization has a huge amount of capital and other factors of production and has better production quality and quantity in less time. The small scale of production, where a business firm has limited stock of capital and other factors of production like sole tradership. Thank you.